In this video, I will show you how to fix the Turbo VPN connection failed or not connecting problem. When I tried to connect Turbo VPN, it showed a connection failed error and the VPN was not connecting. If you're facing the same issue, follow these simple steps. First, go back to your home screen and press and hold the Turbo VPN app icon, and tap Force Stop. This will completely close the app. Now go back and open Turbo VPN again. Next, tap on the menu or settings icon inside Turbo VPN. Here you will find the protocol option. Open it and you will see different protocols available. Now try the protocols one by one. After selecting a protocol, go back and try connecting the VPN. In my case, I tested different protocols and finally the Lepus protocol worked successfully. After selecting Lepus, the VPN connected without any error. If one protocol doesn't work, don't worry. Just try another protocol until you find one that connects properly. That's it for this video.